Welcome. Today we're talking about a crucial part of your vehicle and the NAPA business, oil filters. More specifically, the NAPA Gold Oil Filter, engineered to deliver peak performance for modern engines. Today's engines are built with tighter tolerances than ever before, demanding low viscosity oils and optimal flow. That's where NAPA Gold shines. The filter's strong steel construction ensures durability, resisting high pressures, extreme conditions, and corrosion for long-lasting protection. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. NAPA Gold uses a blend of cellulose and synthetic media, a combination known for its exceptional filtration properties. Now, though you may not be able to tell the differences in the media from the naked eye, this media is designed to perform at 99% efficiency when filtering particles larger than 30 microns per independent lab testing. That means cleaner oil and better protection for those tight engine tolerances. Plus, this advanced media can go up to 10,000 miles between changes when paired with synthetic oil. And look at the consistent pleating and curing of the NAPA Gold media. This ensures even flow and superior durability compared to the leading competitor products with its uneven curing. These irregularities can lead to weak spots in the media, reducing effectiveness and potentially allowing contaminants to pass through. Next, we've got a heavy-duty spring ensuring the filter element stays securely in place, maximizing filtration. This spring maintains constant pressure, pressing against the cartridge against the anti-drain back valve. By keeping the filter element firmly positioned, the spring ensures that there is no movement or misalignment, which would compromise the filter's efficiency. Now let's focus on the silicone anti-drain back valve. This valve is made from high-quality silicone, which offers superior performance compared to traditional rubber. Silicone remains flexible and effective across a wide temperature range, ensuring the valve maintains a tight seal. This prevents oil from draining out of the filter when the engine is turned off, ensuring that the filter stays filled with oil. This quick oil flow upon startup protects the engine from dry starts, reducing wear and prolonging engine life. And finally, the NAPA Gold Oil Filter is equipped with high-quality gaskets made from premium materials that can withstand extreme temperatures, along with a thick base plate made of galvanized steel. This design includes properly placed inflow holes, which is crucial for efficient oil flow at the correct rate. Also, the precise threading ensures easy installation, preventing cross-threading. In addition to the light-duty applications, NAPA heavy-duty gold filters offer the same high level of quality and protection for your customer's fleet and equipment. They're designed to protect equipment in every environment, like dusty agriculture fields, gritty construction jobs, and on the highway. NAPA heavy-duty gold filters are designed to fully meet or exceed application performance requirements and leverage unique and proprietary filter media development. They are tested above and beyond industry standards, have the efficiency to protect the most advanced modern engines, and have the capacity to meet OE recommended service intervals. The wide range of NAPA HD filters will keep your customers' trucks and equipment operating at peak efficiency, reducing operating expenses and downtime over the long haul. So, there you have it, the NAPA Gold Oil Filter. Built with high-quality components, engineered for optimal flow, and designed to protect the modern engine. With over 5,000 SKUs covering 99% of passenger car applications and the widest range of off-road and heavy-duty applications, professionals have trusted NAPA Gold filters for over 60 years. Trust NAPA Gold to keep your customers' engines running smoother, longer.